Welcome to our tutorial on the logic exponent. These rules are essential and define this pattern. Today we will discuss what these rules are and how we can solve problems using them. Let's begin with the power rule. In order to apply factor rule, you need to multiply the power and the exponent. This means you need to square 7 is 49, and 8 times 2 is 60, and 3 times 2 is 6. And the final answer is 14x is 16 and y is 16.
Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Joey. Now let's talk about the parallel. If the bases are the same, you must add the exponents. You can always the one trick that the bases are irregular, super apply this way. So we will multiply 1 a 2. So you will have 24 and you will add the exponents. And it will be about the a to the power of 3. So the final product will be 34 and a raised to power 3.
So done driving. But what if the exponent is negative? That's where the negative exponent rule comes in. A negative exponent means that the base moves to the denominator and the exponent becomes positive. You must not leave a negative exponent in your final answer. Use this rule to simplify it. For example, our numerator is 4a raised to 11, b raised to 7. And our denominator is 2a raised to 9, b raised to 10. First, remove the parentheses and negative 1 should be removed. So, switch the numerator and the denominator and subtract the exponent. 9 minus 10 equals the negative 2. 11 minus 7 equals positive 3. So, the answer will be 2a raised to negative 2 and b raised to 3. A raised to negative 2 will be the denominator and it will become positive. 2b raised to 3 will be our numerator. And that's the final answer.
Excellent, Silent. Now here comes the zero exponent rule, your personal favorite. Any non-zero raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1.
For example, here we have 1 million raised to the power of 0 equals to 1. As we said, any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 would be 1. No matter how big the number is, it doesn't matter. As long as the exponent is 0, it would always be 1. Number 2. Here we have 10 multiplied by 6 raised to the power of 0 equals 10. You may wonder, why is it equals to 10 when any non-zero number raised to 0 is equals to 1? Well, since the 0 is in the parentheses, it doesn't apply to the 10 because it's placed outside. And since the 6 has exponent, it would be changed to 1. Then you can finally multiply it. So 10 times 1 is equals to 10. Therefore, the answer is 10.
That was awesome. Let's take a quick moment to go over what we just learned. First, you should remember the power rule, where you multiply the exponents when a base is raised to another power. Then, there's the product rule. You just need to add the exponents when you multiply numbers with the same base. For the quotient rule, you have to subtract the exponents when dividing like bases. You must also not forget the negative exponent rule, which tells you to move the base to the bottom of a fraction and make the exponent positive. And finally, the zero exponent rule. Anything with an exponent of 0 will always be equal to 1. These rules might seem a little confusing at first, but with practice, they, as all things, will become easier. You can do this. Keep reviewing and try solving problems on your own. Math does not have to be scary. It can actually be fun when you follow the rules.